Hi, today we'll be reviewing the SECRUI wireless doorbell. After the review, I'll show me unboxing the product and doing a quick overview of what comes with it. In a later video, I'll show the detailed steps to configure the doorbell chimes and installing it. On to the review. I've installed this product in 2 of my properties that I manage and love it. Based on the factors I'll mention shortly, I'm giving this doorbell a 5 out of 5 AGs. The factors I considered are convenience, cost/value, and quality. Let's start with convenience. This product is perfect if you've got a house where there's no power being fed outside to the exterior to allow wiring up a wired doorbell. No electrician needed for this. The receivers/chimes themselves get the power from an outlet, while the doorbell is battery powered. Installation is also incredibly easy. In another video, I'll show the detailed steps to installing the doorbell and how easy it is to change the battery when you need to cross that bridge. Over to cost/value. This product is incredibly cost affordable, coming in between $20 to $30 depending on any discounts you find. It comes with 2 receivers/chimes, which is awesome if you have a finished basement or attic where you want to hear the chime. If you did have the wiring to support a wired doorbell, a new kit including a chime and doorbell go for around $30. So this product is on par with that. And sure, you don't get all the bells and whistles that you would from smart doorbells. But unless you really want video or bi-directional conversations, it's not worth the $50, possibly over $100, plus any potential monthly subscriptions. Lastly, quality. The nice thing about simple products such as this is that it's less likely that they'll have issues down the road. For example, in other properties, I've installed a Blink smart doorbell and one of them stopped working after less than a year. WTF? Well, this product does what you need from a doorbell. And with this product coming with 2 receivers/chimes, each with a very respectable chime volume, you won't have a problem knowing when someone's at the door. And having the ability to change the chime sound and the volume is a nice feature. Lastly, let me show you what comes in the box. The box, as you can see, includes the installation materials, comes with the doorbell itself, and 2 receivers/chimes. The receiver/chime has 2 buttons. The one on the right for changing the type of chime, and the one on the left to adjust the volume. All right, let me show you how easy it is to test the chime and the doorbell. All we're gonna do is we're just gonna connect this to here. There we go. We see some lights going, and all I'm gonna do is remove this. And there you have it. Already works like a charm. If I wanted to change the volume, I'm gonna go ahead and press the volume here. I like that. So I just made it a little bit quieter on this one. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing for more product reviews, DIY projects, or real estate topics.